Lemurs are one of the most iconic and unique species of primates native to the island of Madagascar. With their wide eyes, expressive faces, and a remarkable variety of species, lemurs have captured the imagination of people around the world. These small to medium-sized primates are not just fascinating creatures but also vital to the biodiversity of Madagascar, an island renowned for its distinct and diverse wildlife. Physical characteristics. Lemurs are easily recognizable due to their large, reflective eyes, which are well adapted to their often nocturnal lifestyle. They have long, bushy tails, which are used for balance when leaping from tree to tree. Their fur varies widely among species, ranging from soft greys and browns to striking blacks, whites and reds. The smallest lemur, the mouse lemur, weighs as little as 30 grams 1 ounce, while the largest, the indri, can weigh up to 9.5 kilograms 21 pounds. One of the most famous lemur species is the ring-tailed lemur lemur cata, known for its distinctive black and white ringed tail. This species is terrestrial, spending more time on the ground compared to other lemurs, which are predominantly arboreal. Another notable species is the Daubentonia madagascariensis, a nocturnal lemur with a unique method of finding food, using its elongated middle finger to tap on wood and locate insect larvae. Behavior and diet. Lemurs are highly social animals, often living in groups known as troops, which can range from a few individuals to several dozen, depending on the species. These troops are typically female-dominated, a rare trait among primates, with females leading the group in foraging and decision-making. Lemurs communicate with each other, using a range of vocalizations, scents and body language, helping them to maintain social bonds and coordinate activities. Lemurs have a diverse diet that varies depending on the species and their habitat. Many lemurs are frugivorous, meaning they primarily eat fruit, but they also consume leaves, flowers, and nectar. Some species, like the bamboo lemur, have specialized diets that include bamboo, which is toxic to most animals but safely consumed by these lemurs thanks to their unique digestive systems. Others, like the have a diet that includes insects and small animals, using their specialized fingers and teeth to extract their prey from crevices and tree bark. Lemurs play a crucial role in their ecosystems as seed dispersers, aiding in the regeneration of Madagascar's forests. Their foraging habits help to maintain the health and diversity of the flora, which in turn supports a wide range of other species. Reproduction and lifespan. Lemur reproduction is often seasonal, with most species giving birth during the rainy season when food is abundant. Females typically give birth to a single offspring, though some species can have twins. The gestation period varies among species but generally lasts between 90 to 170 days. Lemur infants are born relatively undeveloped and require extensive care from their mothers, who carry them on their backs or bellies until they are strong enough to navigate the trees independently. The lifespan of lemurs can vary significantly depending on the species. Smaller species like mouse lemurs have shorter lifespans, typically around 6 to 8 years in the wild, while larger species like the indri can live up to 20 years or more in the wild. In captivity, some lemurs can live even longer due to the absence of predators and regular access to food and medical care. Ecological role and conservation. Lemurs are vital to the health of Madagascar's ecosystems. As primary seed dispersers, they help maintain the diversity and distribution of plants, ensuring the survival of the forests that many other species rely on. However, lemurs are among the most endangered primates in the world, with over 90% of species at risk of extinction due to habitat loss, hunting, and the illegal pet trade. The greatest threat to lemurs is deforestation, driven by slash and burn agriculture, logging, and the expansion of human settlements. Madagascar has lost much of its original forest cover, and the remaining forests are highly fragmented, isolating lemur populations and reducing their genetic diversity. Additionally, hunting for bushmeat and the capture of lemurs for the illegal pet trade have further decimated their numbers. Conservation efforts are crucial to the survival of lemurs. Protected areas and national parks have been established to preserve their habitats, and reforestation projects aim to restore degraded lands. Community-based conservation programs are also vital, as they involve local people in protecting lemurs and their habitats while providing sustainable livelihoods that reduce the pressure on natural resources. Cultural significance. Lemurs hold significant cultural value in Madagascar. They are often featured in local folklore and mythology, where they are considered to be the spirits of ancestors or sacred animals. This cultural reverence for lemurs has helped protect them in some regions, where traditional taboos against hunting these animals still persist. However, as economic pressures increase, these traditions are under threat, highlighting the need for continued education and awareness efforts. Lemurs have also gained international recognition as symbols of Madagascar's unique biodiversity. They are ambassadors for conservation, helping to raise global awareness about the challenges facing the island's ecosystems and the importance of preserving them for future generations. Expanded view: lemurs and the future of Madagascar. The future of lemurs is inextricably linked to the future of Madagascar's forests. As the island faces increasing environmental challenges, the survival of lemurs will depend on a combination of conservation efforts, sustainable development, and education. Protecting lemurs means not only safeguarding a unique group of primates, but also preserving the rich biodiversity of one of the world's most remarkable ecosystems. Climate change adds another layer of complexity to the conservation of lemurs. Changes in temperature and rainfall patterns could alter the availability of food and suitable habitats, further stressing already vulnerable populations. Conservation strategies must therefore be adaptive, incorporating climate resilience into habitat management and restoration efforts. Furthermore, ecotourism has emerged as a potential tool for lemur conservation, providing economic incentives for local communities to protect these animals and their habitats. By promoting responsible tourism, which benefits both people and wildlife, Madagascar can create a sustainable path forward that ensures the long-term survival of its lemurs and the ecosystems they inhabit. Lemurs are one of the most iconic and unique species of primates, native to the island of Madagascar. With their wide eyes, expressive faces, and remarkable variety, lemurs have captured the imagination of people around the world. These small to medium-sized primates are not just fascinating creatures but also vital to the biodiversity of Madagascar, an island renowned for its distinct and diverse wildlife. Physical characteristics. Lemurs are easily recognizable due to their large, reflective eyes, which are well adapted to their often nocturnal lifestyle. They have long, bushy tails used for balance when leaping from tree to tree. Their fur varies widely among species, ranging from soft greys and browns to striking blacks, whites, and reds. The smallest lemur, the mouse lemur, weighs as little as 30 grams 1 ounce, while the largest, the indri, can weigh up to 9.5 kilograms 21 pounds. One of the most famous lemur species is the ring-tailed lemur lemurkata, known for its distinctive black and white ringed tail. This species is terrestrial, spending more time on the ground compared to other lemurs, which are predominantly